Hi, welcome back. Well, today I want to show you how I use my biscuit joiner. So I'm going to move the camera in a little bit closer so you get a good view of this. Okay, so this is a demonstration. I've got two scrap pieces of boards right here. It's pine, 3/4 inch. Then I make two lines, or as many lines as you need. Then you make some lines where you want the biscuits to go. Just a little bit. Got these reference lines here now. That's where the biscuits are going to go. We use the biscuit joiner itself here. It's set for 90 degrees right now. So I'm just gonna, what I do is I'm gonna clamp these boards down. I'm gonna set it along the edge and we just plunge cut. And what happens is that this biscuit joiner here, when you push in, a blade comes out. This blade comes out and it makes the biscuits. And right here on hand I have number 10 biscuits and number 20 biscuits. I'm going to be using number 20 biscuit today. You get these different sizes for how big they are. And here, I'll give you an example. This is number 10. This is number 10 right here. And this is the number 20. Two reference lines are here. So I'm just going to take this, clamp it to my workbench, start the tool up, and then push it in, which makes a plunge cut. And make sure you keep it nice and level. This fence, this face here, make sure it stays nice and level with the board. But don't get your hands too close, because remember there's a blade here. And that's all there is to it. Biscuit will fit in there once I clean out a little bit nicer. So we'll do all 4 of them. We're gonna make 2 biscuits, which means I have to make 4 cuts. Okay, let's do it again. Take the biscuit joiner, line up, see the red mark, line up with the pencil mark. Make sure your shoe is flat. Then we just simply start up the biscuit joiner and plunge cut it. I like to wait until the tool comes to a stop, not for safety reasons, but also keeps sawdust from flying so much. Okay, that's the 4th one. So now we have enough for a joint. Okay, now what I do is just take a implement, use my square right now, just knock out the loose shavings that are still in here. We're getting ready for the glue up now. All right. The square might not be the best tool to use, but it's the one I grabbed. All right, now we're going to line up our pencil marks again. Make sure everything's situated properly. So here's our lines. They're lined up good. All right, now we take our number 20 biscuits. Take our wood glue. I'm using tape bond too. What I like to do is put some glue into the joints first, into the biscuit slots. And then take your biscuits, put them into the slots. Now, these biscuits are really dry. When the glue starts to interact with the biscuits, they're going to start swelling. So we would like to move a little bit quickly here so that we can get all assembled properly. And I just take some more wood glue, put on the face of the board and on top of the biscuit again. So that's going to be going into the slot, and we're going to want that glue into the slot. Simple as that. You can smear around on your finger, use a brush, whatever you want. I'm just going to kind of leave it like this for right now because this is just a demo. Put it together. Line up your lines again, because if you notice this can actually move quite a little bit in the slots here. Hope you can see this. These lines here, like here, they can move quite a little bit, so make sure you line it up properly. When you get the pencil lines lined up, we're going to clamp it. clamp it. Just get the glue squeeze out, of course. As you can see, I'm getting some glue squeeze out, which is good. Just take some type of old rag, wipe it off right now. I like to put clamps on both sides. Put a clamp up here. Squeeze all my clamps. Wipe off the excess glue again and let it dry. So I get a good angle. You can see it pretty nice and level. As long as you make sure you got your cuts at 90 degrees, it does make a nice level joint. Well, I hope you found this video on the biscuit joiner useful, and I don't really feel like the biscuit joiner is seen a whole lot on Instagram and YouTube, and I think it's a great tool. It's very versatile. You can make 90 degrees, 45 degrees, and a lot of different angles. There's different sized biscuits for different thickness of wood. It's just a great, quick, easy way to do some joinery. So if you don't have one, you might want to consider picking one up. It's a great tool. I really like mine. I use mine a lot. So I hope you found this video interesting, useful to you, and hope it's kind of entertaining also. So until next time, have a great day.